The question is, do you need the desktop versions for Word, PowerPoint, and Excel? Or is Office on the web all you need? Hi and welcome to Office Fluent. It's great to see you again. So the question is, what do you actually need and where are the differences between the Office on the web and the Office desktop versions? Okay, so I've got 5 points for you. You need to consider whether or not the desktop versions are worth it. The first one, and I think this one is the most obvious, do you need to work offline? Or do you have a constant internet connection? Because if you don't, well, Office on the web is not made for you. Office on the web is only in your browser and only while you're having internet. So without internet, no Office. The second point is, are you working with very big documents? Typically, Office on the web gets problems if the document you're trying to open is bigger than like 30 megabyte. This is quite a size for an Office document, but sometimes you can reach those sizes, for example, with Excel or with Word if you have many pictures in them. The third point, if you're using co-authoring, so working with multiple people at the same time at the same document, if somebody else changes something, you can't press the undo button again. So if you're using undo or Control Z a lot, well, in co-authoring you might get issues with that. Number 4, are you using very advanced features? For example, Visual Basic programming in Excel. If yes, you will need the desktop versions. And the last point I have is especially for companies who are using Microsoft 365 and are deciding if the employees are getting the Business Basic or Business Standard, or in the Enterprise versions, the Enterprise 1 or Enterprise 3 versions, as the only difference between those versions is if the Office package is included. And this is that Office Online cannot work with the IRM, so the Information Rights Management. Especially if you have a lot of highly confidential data, it's very important to use this, so in this case you also need the desktop versions for your employees. That's all I have today. I hope you found this video somewhat informative. If you liked it, please leave a like, leave a subscribe if you're interested in more, and I'll see you next week. Bye.